Paano nararamdaman mo talaga? Sunod-sunod ang blessings na dumarating.
So, salamat sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Conscious Garden Cup. I mean, ako naman kasi parang most of the time when it comes to business, I seize the moment. Sayang kasi opportunity na pwedeng mag-invest ng mas maaga din dun sa plan. So, yun yung nagiging attack ko ngayon sa mga negosyo namin. Especially restaurant talaga, we're really eyeing for food. And then later on, we're now exploring other options din kung ano pa yung pwede na necessary. Pero hindi naman siya in line with food. Inaaral lang namin talaga yung logistics.
Bakit po inuna at bakit priority ang pagkain? Restaurant?
Lahat tayo gutom. Ako, coming from a consumer point of view, syempre everyday, may breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Consistent yan for 2,000 years. Yun ang pinaka-cycle ng buhay ng tao is to eat. So, anong makakapag-cater lang din, good food and good restaurants. So, yun talaga yung naging mindset, especially kami ng partner ko si Miss Jenna, na parang ako, I feel like investing in Conscious is really a good idea. That's why we were able to make it na 4 branches sa ngayon. Kasi hindi ako nagkamali dun sa tiwala ko sa pagkain. I've been hearing a lot of good feedback, especially sa mga restaurants and branches that we've opened in Tagaytay, dito, tapos sa QC. So, we're just very happy now. And we're, sabihin ko yung franchising.
Oo,
Conflict kasi. Hindi naman, okay
Sa
naman.
Ate Gemma na lang.
Pwede naman. Sige,
Oo, sa Ate Gemma na
Yung
lang.
partner ko na lang. Ayun.
And after this, Alden, ano po pinapangarap mo sa negosyo, after a restaurant, food chain?
Ultimately talaga, may dream talaga ako to open a hotel. Medyo leaning towards yung mga boutique hotel lang, yung mga small hotels, pero maganda yung setup, very classy, tapos maganda siyang ilagay sa prime areas, pero I prefer dito sa south. So we'll see kung matupad yun. Yeah, but for now, palakasin muna natin yung mga current businesses and parang keeping an eye on that is the priority.
May naisip ka na ba na area? Siargao or here in...
Actually, Siargao is really doing well right now. Kasi my cousin, mag-open din siya ng ramen bar doon. And we'll see kung ano yung magiging performance kasi mag-base siya doon for quite some time and then I'll ask. Siguro from there, if not a hotel, maybe another restaurant din within the community.
At ito naman napapagsabay-sabay lahat. I mean, opening a business.
Yeah.
Now,
The key is good people behind your back. People you can trust, people you can leave everything behind. Leave everything to them na kahit iwan mo sa kanila, mababalikan mo. So I think that's the key. Kaya napagsasabay ko yung being a businessman at the same time being an actor.
may tip ka ba sa mga millennials na gusto rin maging businessman?
Yes.
Successful maging businessman?
When it comes to investing money, it's always now. Hindi bukas, hindi pag ito na yung ipon. It's always now. I mean, think of other ways na may ilalagay niyo yung pera na hindi lang tulog sa bank or hindi lang. Kasi yun yung nangyari sa akin before na I've been earning from showbiz tapos napupuna ko natutulog lang yung pera sa bank.
O nagagastos mo?
Or nagagastos eventually. Kasi yun yung nangyayari, ipunin mo siya and then pag meron kang nagustuhan, let's say material thing, usually material or let's say a travel or an expensive watch, an expensive car, you tend, matutokso ka talagang bilhin. Kasi coming from experience, ganun yung nangyayari sa akin. Na pag alam kong may ipon, na kahit sabihin mong kinalimutan mo siya, alam mo may pera kayo. So gagastos at gagastos ka. And the thing is, the key is, tapon mo sa business. But, doon kasi sigurado yung mga tao na pagkakatiwalaan talaga. Kasi sa panahon ngayon, super hirap makahanap ng trusted person who will take care of you, at the same time take care of your money, at the same time take care of your business at the same time. So, like, itong Conscious, now that we have 4 branches, we started off as 2, kami ni Ate Gemma, and up to this point, dalawa pa rin kami. Dalawa lang kami dito. So, yun, parang if you can build it up yourself, mas okay na
solo mo na lang, or if you can have trusted people, make it family member or friends. Basta, yun trust yung pinaka-importante kasi when it comes to business. More than anything, more than the money, more than the skills, it's trust. Pag wala yun, pag meron kang doubt doon, don't enter into it. Kasi hindi madali ang negosyo, especially sa mga bago, like when we started, bago ako nun, but I just took the risk. But sometimes, the bigger the risk, the bigger the reward. So parang that's what happened with me, na I risked everything for this restaurant, and here we are now, at 4 branches already.
May hindi ba nalalaman yung mga taong struggles when you were starting?
Marami. We had complaints. Of course, since hindi pa ganun kalaki yung capital ko in terms of money, talagang binuhos ko lahat. So medyo, I almost went to zero when I entered the food business. Pero you just have to be patient and work hard for it. Kasi pag-iisipin mo lagi yung mahirap yun, especially dun sa mga tao na nasanay na may pera. And then all of a sudden, every time na-check nila yung bank account nila, parang if they started to invest into businesses, mawawala kasi yun eh. Talagang you have to get used to your bank account na walang laman when you start a business. So that's what happened to me before. Anxieties, paano kung magtrabaho, paano kung hindi mag-work yung restaurant. But you just really have to be faithful to the Lord and to your business and to your skills and to the people that you trust your time, your effort, your money with. Kasi parang patience and hard work and focus, that's the key to a successful business.
Maliban sa movie, ano pa mga projects na
Yes.
dapat natin sa inyo?
Sa ngayon,
Projects.
Wala pa eh. Wala pa talaga. Wala. So movie lang talaga ngayon. And then focus sa promo. As in zero.
Yung mga fans ko nagkatanong kami kung anong gusto yung tanong sa'yo. Pero yung tanong nila lahat, may panahon ka pa daw ba? Kasi wala siya.
Siya sasagot. Ikaw, may panahon? Soon.
Pero priority ngayon.
Yes, well, for now, itong, yung restaurant, parang magkaka-open lang din. So, we have to keep an eye on this for the following months. And yung promo ng movie, siguro yun yung mga focus ko this season. Siya. Nauna pa siya sa akin. Ako wala pa talaga. Pero, there was a scene, before we did the scene, na pinanood muna sa amin ni Direk Cathy yung rough edit ng mga scenes. Para to get to that scene, may ma-invest kaming emotions towards it. Mahirap kasi magsalita. Mahirap. I don't wanna parang raise expectations. Pero for this movie, parang dapat talaga taasan yung expectation. Kasi maganda siya.
Na-challenge.
So,
May dyan, merong present for that kasi meron pa siyang may guidelines sa Star Cinema sa pagsiguro.
okay.
Ano na lang natin.
So, ganun na lang. Okay na lang muna.
Given the chance, may plans ka pa rin bang tapusin yung business ni Pino and Coach University?
Yes. Bas, ano na to? Tuduhan na ng pangarap to. I would like to finish it abroad sa Harvard. If I had the chance. Well, we'll see. Tapusin ko muna dito and then I take masters na.
That's why pagpatuloy mo naman.
Para solid yung foundation.
Ano yung top 3 must-try favorites mo?
Well, number 1, we have the Okoy. That's our bestseller sa lahat ng restaurants, branches. Yun yung pinaka-maganda yung comment, feedback. And then we have our signature dish, which is the La Olla, our special bulalo. Bulalo collab with puchero, collab with lahat na lang collab. Basta it's a local delicacy here in the South, especially sa Binyan. And then the third one, I'm really a fan of yung mango cream fettuccine. That's our signature. Well, that's one of my favorites. So those top 3, I mean, for first-timers, for yung mga bago sa amin, they must try that dish.
And then, ang dami ng pansin na ginawa. Lalo, tapos yung chino mo. Ano ba? Pa-secret?
Grabe, sobra akong nag-lose weight talaga for the project. I really parang nagulat din ako dun sa naging result ng well, this is really investing on myself right now. Parang losing weight, parang tas working out a lot. So ngayon nag-prepare naman siya ng fruit, dami rin nakapunan. Talagang hindi madali. Actually, isa to sa mga pinakamahirap na projects na nagawa ko. Kasi kahit off-cam, nagtatrabaho ako. Actually, hindi lang ako, pati si Kat. Off-cam, hindi kami bumibitaw sa commitment namin sa pelikula.
Gaano ka-intense ang workout? Araw-araw ba? Or gaano ka
Yes,
training?
yes, every day talaga,
Paano yun ako then? Morning and then
sometimes I work out morning and then before I sleep.
before you sleep?
Yeah. And then, kasi ganun talaga kailangan yung dedication sa pag-workout. And, but now that we're finished, actually tapos na yung movie, medyo may time na, but I really wanted to maintain. Tapos na kami almost a week now. But parang, makita ko ba yung picture ko dati? Kasi ito yung mga...
Bawasan for maintain lang. Yeah.
Maintain siguro or make it better. Ito yung mga itsura na ayoko nang balikan kasi
Aba, okay.
Yan lang, anong year yan?
this is Victor Magtanggol.
Oo, Victor, magtanggol lang yan. So, gaano kalaki yung nabawas sa weight mo?
For a month and a half, I lost 20 pounds.
Ano diet? Ano yung workout?
High intensity workout, tapos food. No salt, no sweets, no fruit, no meat, red meat. I can only eat sauteed sa olive oil na gulay. Any gulay lahat, so bubusugin mo yung sarili mo doon, kamote, and saging na saba. Tapos lean meat, chicken, fish, na walang lasa.
Steamed lang.
Yes, this is for losing weight. So nag-lose muna ako, but now I'm into building up naman, bulking naman. Pero not that really bulk. So mag-iiba ng konti yung diet. Ano lang yung workout, mag-iiba lang, mag-modify lang.
Pero ikaw, are you happy with the results?
Yes! Yes, sobra. Parang nung nilabig ko na sa Regati, nilabig ko na ng mga kasama ko sa pelikula, tapos yung mga tao sa nakasama ko lagi, parang okay, may result nga. So, tuloy na natin.
How do you feel?
I feel good, I feel lighter, I work out better, I sleep better, I think clear. May effect din siya sa mood na you tend to be more relaxed. Kasi you feel good, you're eating healthy. That's the key kasi it's not really, mali talaga yung iniisip ng iba na when you say diet, yung hindi ka kakain. That's not really the way. You end up binging for more, then you tend to gain more weight. So, hindi po talaga susi ang hindi pagkain. It's just about, it's about eating at the right time with the right food and with the right exercise. So, that's the key sa physical wellness.
Thank you.
For Father's Day naman,
yes.
Lesson from that you got from your father na apply mo sa iyong career.
Dati kasi very strict yan when it comes to being professional in all aspects. Talaga, business side, family, very strict siya in terms of rules, obeying rules, and parang pagsunod. Talaga, yun yung isa sa mga tinuro niya sa akin na pag hindi mo alam yung isang bagay, huwag kang magmarunong. You wait for someone who's better at it and teach you. So always parang learn from your experiences, learn from the people that you work with, be better. Kasi parang pag yung kasi iba, I mean, I don't know, at may mga tao kasi minsan mas marunong pa din sa mas may alam. So ako, pagdating sa ganyan, especially sa mga bagay na hindi ko alam, especially na sa business, pag hindi ko alam, I keep quiet about it, I observe, I let the people that has knowledge about it do their thing first, and then I'll study para sa susunod na mga decisions, kaya ko na.
Ano naman yung trait ko na gusto mong i-emulate?
Wala.
Hey, Daddy?
Daw?
Ano daw yung trait na gusto mo i-emulate kay tatay?
Lako? Hindi.
Ano yan eh? Tatay ko kasi strong. Wala kasi yan. Yung weakness, hindi ko nakikita sa kanya. But I don't know in his alone time. Baka doon nag-manifest. Pero in front of us, he was never weak. So parang yun yung isa sa mga nakuha ko rin sa kanya na nagagamit ko.
And Okay, message mo kay Daddy sa Father's Day.
Dad, happy Father's Day. Thank you for everything, sa support in all aspects of life, from childhood to businesses to career. At marami pa tayong mararating together. Love you.